Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2015 Chevy Camaro 2SS Convertible. This vehicle only has 8,604 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It comes with a 6.2 liter V8 engine and comes custom with your blacked out tail lights, black 20-inch aluminum wheels, and tinted windows. Now when we get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have a Boston premium audio system with black leather seating throughout the entire vehicle. Now when it comes to the dash, we have our first generation Chevy MyLink radio and our standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.